On a day, 89 constituencies are going to the polls. I'm Mahrukh Inayat, and now Jugal is joining us from Rajkot. Jugal, we're talking about Gujarat, 26 seats going out to the polls in a single phase. There are some constituencies, especially in central Gujarat, which have been a problem for Narendra Modi. How's it looking in Rajkot? Is it the same chorus of whitewash for the BJP?
Absolutely not, Mahrukh. In fact, if you are to actually analyze what has been happening in Gujarat, Saurashtra, which essentially consists of 7 districts and a part of the Kutch area also, used to once upon a time be a BJP bastion. However, those were the heady days of the late 90s. From the 1999 election onwards, when BJP got 21 seats in Gujarat out of 26, it's after that been a downhill ride altogether. In 2004, they got around 14 seats. Last time they managed 15. So even though one may say, and the impression outside may be, that Narendra Modi has been on a roll, he's a 4-term chief minister in the state, but he's not been able to make so much of an impact as far as Lok Sabha is concerned. Last time around, in the 8 Lok Sabha seats in Saurashtra region, where I am standing right now, the BJP lost 3 seats, which was quite a huge setback for the party. As such, you're seeing that in Gujarat there is not so much of an enthusiasm when it comes to the Lok Sabha elections. Last time the polling percentage did not go beyond 45% and even though in the state assembly 2012 that percentage crossed 70 for the first time, but this time around again it's a Lok Sabha election. The temperatures are quite high. Yesterday it was around 45. Today I'm told 46 is what it will touch. So it's going to be a difficult time for the voters to actually come out and exercise their franchise. But on the other side, what is going in favor for Gujarat and for the people is that this time around they have actually a referendum of sorts where their chief minister is contesting and is wanting a larger role. So whether that excites the Gujaratis to actually come out and vote. Remember, Gujarat is also a very caste-wise divided state. There are Patels, there are Mayors, there are Kohlis, there are Ahirs, there are of course Muslims. So it's not going to be very easy. And even though the 4-term chief minister has been able to project an image of total control and absolute whitewash, as you mentioned, but insofar as Lok Sabha is concerned, BJP has not been having a very smooth ride. And this time around, the hope is that the fact that a local candidate is wanting to take up the top job may energize and enthuse the voters. But we'll have to wait and watch whether the weather will play truant, whether the people will come out. I've been in Gujarat for almost 10-11 days, Mahrukh, and in the urban areas, in the rural areas, there is surprisingly not so much of an enthusiasm for Narendra Modi. So these are all the factors affecting the entire interplay in the Saurashtra region. Back to you.